Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our first official podcast for Ashworth Wealth for our weekly webinar update. Most of you probably already know with the letters that we've sent out that I am part of Ashworth Wealth now, and am excited to be with a new team. And this will facilitate a number of issues, a number of things that will benefit you as clients, and give us additional resources, give us additional insights, and we are excited to have everyone on board with us today. So today, as we jump into our weekly market webinar, it's just a real simple thought. And the thought is that one of the things that obviously the Fed is tracking is what they call real GDP. Real GDP is the growth of the economy above inflation. And so if the economy is growing above inflation, then we have positive growth. If it's growing below inflation, then we have negative net growth in the economy. And they're tracking this in this chart with regards to payrolls. And the intent here and what we're looking at is that even though the economy per se has slowed down a little bit as recognized by the real GDP, the output of labor workers has still remained high. And what this means is we're basically getting more result out of existing employees than we have been in the past. And it is another continuing ongoing thing that's happening in the economy that is showing signs that even though the Fed is trying to slow the economy a little bit, trying to get inflation under control, it's still showing that the economy is still strong. And it's still showing that there is renewed talk now of a soft landing rather than a hard landing or a hard recession. We still anticipate a recession, but it probably will be mild based upon what data and economic information is coming out right now. So this year is going to be an interesting year. We will keep everybody up to date. We will try to do our best to keep you in the know as far as what we're seeing and what we're reviewing. Again, for long-term investors, these are opportunities, and we hope to help you manage and work through these the best that we can. So that's it for today. Again, thank you for joining us, and we will catch you next week on our next weekly webcast. Thank you so much for coming and spending just a minute with us.